everyone, welcome back to my channel. Rebecca here, and I was just cleaning out underneath my desk. I've been doing a lot of cleaning and organizing of the craft room to make things more accessible and in my field of view so that I use things more, like the stuff that's behind me. Obviously, I'm not looking at it all the time, so I don't remember to grab it. And I had a lot of stuff back there that, well, I really would like to use, but I don't really remember it. So I've been bringing stuff to my little work hub here, and I had put together at the end of 2019 probably about 50 or so page kits, and I've been working through those, building, when I was for February and March, I built like humongous monthly kits, and when I was running low, I would grab one of these kits and I'd start scrapbooking with it. And in April, I didn't build a kit. I just started grabbing these because I went to a scrapbook convention prior to the COVID-19 shutdowns, and I bought a lot of stuff because everything was on sale. So I looked through these, and I have I think there's like 11 left. So I figured I'd kind of show you, like, here's some of the paper. And this is just how I store them, and then I put all of it in there. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, nice maroon one, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Probably have 9 left. So I, for some reason, thought I had 11. Not sure what happened. So that's what I'm going to be working on now. So I'm just going to be going through these and creating if I can get 2 or 3 layouts out of each one, I will call that a success. And when I get through these, as you see, some of them have a lot more embellishments than others. So when I've exhausted all the papers, which is pretty much, to where I can't get another full layout out of it, which is when I call it quits on the kit. I just have this. I don't even know where the lid's at. Oh, it's right here. Just this cute little container that locks, like, so it's Tupperware, and that's checked full. This is where I throw everything, and I literally just throw it in here, and that's it. Then as I start going through the kits and thinking maybe I need something else, I will, there's a whole bunch of random stuff in here. I will go through this first and try to pull out of here to use stuff. Now, my cart has got a lot of, like, stuff that was in a box that's newer. Like, I had bought this to do my page for sushi because it's little sushi guys, and I didn't do one yet. So, but it's just a lot of the newer stuff that I've had that's still in the packaging that hadn't been broken up yet and thrown into my little color kits that I store by color in these. So this is where all this, this will all end up going when I get done with those 9 kits. And then I will be creating new page kits. And I've had some interest in people wanting to kind of see that process. And I will tell you that there are several ladies out there that are, like, going into detail and doing that. And I would recommend you checking out Nicole Jones 911, her YouTube channel. She is phenomenal at putting page kits together. I've recently seen the channel She's Crafty, so she is putting page kits together. There are several others. Those are just a couple that I know off the top of my head. I will kind of give you a brief overview, but because there's so much other content out there right now on putting the page kits together, and I feel like they probably do a better job than me, I will only do a brief overview. I will not make a series out of it. I will not be going into great detail. I will just be doing, a couple page kits with you guys, and then move on to actually scrapping, because when I do it, I find it therapeutic to sit there and go through all my stuff. And it really, I like it because I get to go through all of my stuff. You know, I mean, I have two 12 by 12 iris containers that sit right down there, and they are chocked full of paper pads that I bought that are like the Paige Evans, the American Crafts, the Chamel, the Maggie Holmes, the Dear Lizzie. Those are all down there. And then behind me, I have, when I finish a page kit, and there are 12 by 12 sheets left, I have a divider that they stand up in, and I just put them in there. And then that's where they sit until I go through them again. I also have a new way of storing, which was on my channel that I found at Tuesday morning, and it was a bin that's 12 by 12. And I've put all my newest paper in there, the kits and the collections and stuff like that. And there are some paper pads and stuff, but I was really just trying to get a way to get it from laying down and having to like move 40 pounds of paper to get to one single sheet. So that being said, just kind of come on. It was just short and sweet and just kind of show you guys what I've been up to. And I have some surprises coming in the next couple weeks. Things that I'm really excited to talk about, but I can't yet. So I feel very honored. That's all I have to say. And I will see you guys later on today. Bye.